Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a very easy to make crochet pattern. This is a table runner pattern. I have made it in smaller size. You can make it as long as you want according to your table size. You can measure your table in inches with measuring tape and you can make your table runner according to that measurement. I have made this table runner pattern already and I will show you in smaller size like this. So this pattern is simple pattern and any beginner can make this pattern. Now I will show you how to crochet this pattern. For this crochet project I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. You can use 4-ply yarn as well. So first of all, make a slip knot like this. Then with the help of crochet hook we would start making chains for our project. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way we would make our base chain, which will be multiples of 6 plus 4 chains. So I have made 22 chains, 18 are multiple of 6 and 4 more chains. You can just add multiples of 6 chains in this one for your project as wide as you want to be. So now to start the first row, make chain 1 and then chain 2. Now this loop on the hook doesn't count as anything. 1, 2, 3. There are two methods. You can count these 3 chains as a double crochet stitch and you can start your row with simple 2 chains without counting it as a stitch. So that's up to you. I will count these 3 as my first stitch. So wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this 4th chain from the hook and then draw up a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again into the next chain, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through first 2, pull the yarn through other 2 to make a double crochet. Wrap the yarn again into the next chain, make a double crochet stitch, and we have a set of 4 double crochet stitches here including our first 3 chains. Now make chain 1 and then chain 2, and we are going to skip 2 chains here and into the 3rd chain make a double crochet like this. Then into the next chain make a double crochet, into the next one make a double crochet, then into the next chain make a double crochet. We have 4 double crochet stitches here. Now make chain 1, chain 2 again, skip 2 chains into the 3rd chain, make double crochet, make a double crochet into the next one, in this way make 4 double crochet, then we would make 2 chains, skip 2 chains, and then 4 double crochet in the last 4 chains. So I have completed first row. For the second row, make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. Now turn up the work. We are going to skip first stitch into the second one. Here we are going to make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the next stitch, then make a double crochet into this next stitch. Now we have chain 2 space, so make chain 1 and then chain 2, skip this chain 2, and after that we have a double crochet stitch. In this double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, then make a double crochet into the second double crochet stitch, double crochet into the third one, then a double crochet into the fourth one. Make chain 1, chain 2, skip this chain 2 into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet, so repeat this process till the end. Now our last double crochet stitch would be in third chain, because this is also counted as a stitch. So in this third chain, make last double crochet stitch of second row, and our second row is also completed. Now for the third row, make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, skip first stitch into the next one, make a double crochet, then double crochet in next 2 stitches as well, chain 1, chain 2 into the next double crochet stitch after chain 2, double crochet. So this is our pattern. You can repeat this pattern, and only this row would be repeated for the whole pattern, and you can modify this pattern according to your yarn type. You can just make chain 1 instead of chain 2 if you want this space less, and if you want solid pattern more, you can also add stitches in this double crochet stitch panel. You can make 5 stitches here, you can make 6 stitches here also if you want, that's up to you. So this pattern can be modified as well. Base chain would be modified according to the pattern. Like if you want chain 1 here, then pattern would be multiples of 5 instead of 6, and if you want 5 stitches here and chain 1 here, then same pattern would be repeated, and we would make 5 double crochet stitches here and then chain 1, then again 5 double crochet stitches, chain 1, 5 double crochet stitches and then chain 1. And for border edge pattern, you can also change it according to your requirement. Many border edge pattern tutorial videos are already available on my channel, and I will also share the video of this very beautiful crochet border edge pattern. 3D border edge pattern can also be made instead of this 2D pattern. I have also shared some videos of 3D border edge pattern designs on my channel, so you can check the previous videos as well, and you can make border edge according to that, and you can check the video tutorial of this specific border edge pattern as well, which will be available on my channel. So hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notifications of future uploads from this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Share this video with others in your circle. Take care. Bye.